bumper has been on, excuse the Hellcat. The bumper has been on the car for about maybe 2 weeks now. And since installation, I just wanted to point out some things that I noticed so far. Well, this, I don't know how this came out, but I'm going to the Clear Choice Lexus today, and they're gonna do a headlight alignment for me, and that should take care of that. I need to get this thing PPF, but I'm debating to get the car wrapped in like a British dark green, I guess you could say, to highlight it. As far as the grill is concerned, I'm going to redo it, right? And the reason why is because if you see here, these are what are those things called? Yep. So these are zip tied in, and it's okay because it's just black, but I did want to redo this whole grill, retrim it and recarve it so I can have it fit more and have it sit flush. And I plan to mount it in there so it is flush once I'm done. But I needed to get this modified first, the bumper installed, before I went ahead and did that. This wrap, or excuse me, not wrap, dip, plastic dip, this black plastic dip was on the car from when I first got the grill blacked out and the rest of the trim pieces. So this is peeling, but as far as the bumper is concerned, this happened here. I don't know if it's picking this up. I had another one here, and there's one there, but the silver is holding up pretty good. There's no spots there. Oh snap, sounds like a front bumper rub to the wheel. All right, I don't know who that is, but he got it the worst. As far as how I feel about the paint, I wish they would have blended it. I did mention that, but I'm not sure that was translating better with the painter. So issues that I had found with the, as far as the paint job was concerned on the bumper. One thing was, found something here, right? I take lots of pictures, so that kind of stuff does matter. I don't know if it's showing up on film where the silver is still coming through, where they went over it with the colors and the paint. There were a couple of more spots, but I don't want to get too picky. I don't think my headlights were aimed. I did ask him to aim my headlights once they installed them, but I don't think they're properly installed. If you could kind of see, like in here, it's not lined up properly. The fog lights need to be aligned up properly as well. This is all things I did speak to the body guy about, getting taken care of when the car went in, but it wasn't done, so now I have to go to an independent specialist. Update on the calipers. That's my latest. What the heck? See how the whole thing chipped off? That's my lack of patience. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, lack of patience in painting. So lessons learned from this paint job is start with light layers, and I also noticed that this orange here is a different orange than the orange on the front. This is called, from the House of Colors, called Sunrise Pearl, and the orange on the brakes, that's from, I want to say, Rust-Oleum, and I just did a 2K clear enamel on top of it. I want to say that's pretty much not everything. As far as the interior is concerned, I don't like this carbon stuff. I think I want to switch this out, and I want to go orange, perhaps. Maybe not this piece because it has to flex, but that piece that sits flat, or any pieces that sit flat, I want those to be orange. I want to get this redone, rewrapped. It's about time. This door panel needs to match this door panel and the rear door panel. LEDs are coming for the interior. Also, I have found someone to install my headers. and that makes me feel good because I really did need to get some headers installed into the car. Things that I knew, the floor mats. I like these 4.6. That piece in there, it actually does hook in. I need new seats. My latest was I blew out one of my speakers when I had one single L7. So now I have two works. And if you haven't seen the video short, this is non-slip mat. This is for all the guys that were screwing screws or poking holes into their box or using those L brackets. Now the L bracket would have been cool, but I would have mounted it down to the floor and just had it sit there. But I don't know about drilling to my box because I'm not a air pressure to weight ratio, but I know if you put a crack where it don't need to be as far as pressure is concerned with these, it'll be a problem. I want to say that's almost everything. Latest that's gonna happen is this badge is gonna go away, and I'm gonna replace that badge. I'm gonna replace that badge with this one. So essentially, it's gonna go here. 4.6 liter. It should fit right up in here. So, I don't know. I think I like this better. This 4.6 liter badge on the back, because the L is gonna get painted over. Not painted over. The car's about to be debadged. How about that? And once it gets debadged, that means I can have most of my emblems match. I'm not sure what I want to do about
subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.